Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Puritska, and in today's video I am going to talk about why I am choosing to complete TESOL course. First of all, TESOL certificate is an internationally recognized professional qualification. It goes without saying that it's a gateway to a new perspective. This certification opens all the job opportunities across the globe and in domestic regions aligned with high salary package. And for those that catch the teaching bug, a TESOL degree will give you a passport to teach in all kinds of environments. SR Teaching and Learning Center provides engagement in direct cultural exchange with teachers of other cultures during the course. You not only engage in first-hand exchange with your real students, but you become part of a supportive community. These were the general benefits of TESOL course. My personal favorite, though, is that it helps identify and enhance your own teaching style. SR Teaching and Learning is all about how to teach your student to speak English powerfully. Welcome to Join the Best.